I don't even know where to start. I don't even have anywhere to put this stuff. I got paint and caulking and nails and screws and I got an idea. Here I'm just rough cutting all checking to make sure our drawer bottom is going to slide in and out easily, and we should be good. complete custom. It's going to take a lot longer than what we're doing here. I'm going to go ahead and get all these done. And there we go, all finished and ready to carry into the shop. All right, everybody, there's one. I still have another one. All the parts and pieces here that I need to put together. Didn't want to bore you guys with that, but as you can see, I have so many screws and nails and stuff like that. I need to get organized. I'm not going to bore you guys with that. But I have some custom builds I want to do in my house, and this needs to be taken care of first. So I'm going to build another shelf. I'm either going to set it on that end or on this end, and then we're going to do some custom things to hang all my tools and stuff like that. Probably do some drawers underneath so we have space. I have some countertops left over from doing my kitchen. We're going to incorporate those in here somewhere, probably do across here, but this is a hot mess, guys. This is just the beginning. Please stay tuned for 2. Think about hitting that like and subscribe button. It would be greatly appreciated. But that's quite a bit of work, and I have to warn you, these things are heavy when you build them. This is only 20 by 30, 20 inches deep, 30 inches tall, 16 inches wide, 6 drawers. And it weighs probably 100 pounds or more. Anyway, guys, stay tuned for the next video. I appreciate all of you guys. Thanks a lot.